Are you able to see the NSE screen?
Yes, sir.
In this instrument type, we are taking index futures. Okay, index futures, how much is the closing price? 18,631.55. Okay, now this is the futures price. And there is a spot price also, which is calculated from the Nifty spot price, that is Nifty components, which you are calculating. Let me see whether he has given that. See, what is this? Are you able to see my highlighted value?
Underlying value.
Value, sir.
Underlying value. That means what? What is the difference between this and that? This is 18,563, whereas this is 18,631. Why there are two prices? Or what is this price? Let us understand this. What is this? Nifty 18,563.
Future price, sir.
No, this one. This, no, on the bottom. Are you seeing this? Underlying value. Underlying price means where this market is.
Index, sir. Nifty
Index.
50 is.
That is spot market, na? There are two prices. One is spot price, another is futures price. So what is the futures price here? Index futures. What is this 18,631?
Trading.
Is it futures price or spot price?
Spot trading time.
Right, Krishna?
Sir.
What is this price?
18,631, sir.
Adi
today closing price, sir.
Futures price or spot price?
Future price, sir.
Futures, because we are trading this instrument, na? Index futures.
Yes, sir.
Idi?
Adi derived from the today closing price, sir.
This spot price kada? Underlying price.
Yes, sir. Spot price.
మీకు అర్థం అవుతుందా?
Current market price.
There are two prices, Nana. Spot, ఇప్పుడు రిలయన్స్ ఉంది, otherwise I will go to Reliance. So what you have to understand is not only theory, మనకి data కూడా understand చేసుకోవాలి. Then only you will be perfectly following the derivatives market. Then I am trying to see what are the terminology in this futures and forward markets. So ఈ derivatives market లో derivatives price ఉంది. On what this derivatives price will depend upon? Suppose Reliance futures price. On what Reliance futures price will depend upon?
Current market price, sir.
That is of the underlying, no?
Yes, sir. Underlying price.
Underlying, what is underlying in case of Reliance futures?
Current spot price.
Yes. So Reliance spot is there, Reliance futures will be there. Is that? So if you see,
When spot price increases, future price also increases.
yes, exactly. If there is any clarification, you just ask, then I'll be able to explain it. Suppose I take TCS. See, listen clearly here. What is this market? I have highlighted equity market. Or this is also called spot market. Or this is also called cash market. So what is this data is telling? What is this previous close? Open,
Yesterday close.
open, high, low, close. So what is the closing price of TCS equity?
3,209.
Yes. All of you are clear? Jaya Jain?
Yes, sir.
No, you have some questions.
నిఫ్టీ చార్ట్ ఓపెన్ చేసి చూపిండి సార్,
Hmm,
ఈజీగా అండర్స్టాండ్ అవ్వచ్చు.
okay.
దాంట్లో అయితే డే క్యాండిల్ పెట్టి చూపిస్తే క్లోజింగ్ ప్రైస్ హై లో అని ఓహెచ్ఎల్సి వస్తాయి సార్.
Okay. So Rupesh? Rupesh Nada?
Sir? Yes, sir.
Rupesh, bro, there are
Sir.
two segments.
Yes, sir.
Equity market or cash market or spot market and derivatives market. Kunna kada నేను ఇప్పుడు ఈక్విటీ హైలైట్ చేశాను TCS లో.
Okay, sir.
TCS లో హైలైట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఈ కొటేషన్స్ వచ్చాయి,
Yes, sir.
ఈ ప్రైసెస్.
Yes, sir.
What is the spot price of TCS closing price?
3,209, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the futures price? I will open.
Okay.
ఇప్పుడు TCS futures.
Yes, sir.
TCS futures
230.
ఇక్కడ హైలైట్ చేశాను కదా.
Yes, sir.
What is the closing price of TCS futures?
3,229.55.
అది అది ప్రీవియస్ క్లోజ్ అన్నాడు. ఈ క్లోజ్ 3,201.90.
Yes, sir.
టుడేస్ క్లోజింగ్ ప్రైస్.
Yes, sir.
So then what I am trying to say is there will be two prices. One is spot market price, another is futures price.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what is this
Okay, sir.
contract multiplier or contract size? or lot size?
Volume, sir. Contract sizes.
Anna?
Contract size means volume, sir.
No. See, for every contract, there is something called lot size is defined by the stock exchange. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
NSE.
Market lot 175.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
yes. This is for which company?
TCS Limited.
TCS. Very good. Now, if I this like this, lot size will be different for different companies or contracts. Suppose I go to Reliance. Reliance, what is the lot size?
250.
250. Is it not? Suppose I go to Nifty. Nifty, what is the lot size?
50.
50. So they will have some benchmark of some 5 lakhs, around 6 lakhs, 5 lakhs sort of thing, and then adjust depending upon the value.
Sir,
Bank
then
Nifty, sir.
Tell me.
go ahead, Venkat Krishna. I'll ask next.
Bank Nifty, sir.
Yes. Bank Nifty, what is the lot size?
25.
25. Like that, the exchange will fix.
Sir, I
Say around
had a
10 lakhs.
question.
10 lakhs value of Bank Nifty is one lot. Like that, around 9 lakhs for Nifty. Something because of prices keep fluctuating. This lot sizes, they will adjust sometimes. But that is how the exchange will fix. That's why we will call it as a standardized contracts. If I say I want to buy only 5 Bank Nifty, no, nobody will give you. One lot is 25. You can buy or sell in multiples of market lot. Are you clear?
Sir, I had a question.
Yeah, please.
In Nifty, it was market lot 50. That means there are 50 companies. That's why market lot is 50, sir.
No,
Or
no,
it is
no, not like that.
then, sir.
It is, say, I want a contract value of around 10 lakhs. So
Okay, sir.
Nifty is something like 18,800. So they have fixed some 50. 18,800 into 50 means contract value something like 9 lakhs.
Okay, sir.
Like, no, suppose you have seen TCS, some 275, Reliance 250, like that. No? This lot size is fixed by the exchange.
Then one lot is equal to how much, sir? Is there anything like that, sir? One
No,
lot is equal to
no. One lot equal, you have to multiply. Suppose Bank Nifty is how much today? Closing.
Okay, sir. Understood.
into 25. That means you are taking a position of 10 lakh rupees if you buy or sell one bank nifty. One lot of bank
That
nifty.
one bank nifty. Okay, okay, sir.
One
Understood.
lot.
So if there are 25 lots, then if a person has a person can have any number of lots, no, sir, or it is
Yes,
only
yes.
one.
Depending upon his money.
No, sir.
Hmm.
I think 8 lots for retail investor.
8 lots, huh?
Yes, sir. Per daily.
You check that. Because if you have more money, you can take more, no?
In case of if they have more money, they can take all 25 lots also, sir. One person only, or that is not allowed.
No,
Then we have to multiply and in
no, see, one lot means how many bank nifties will be there? Let me take this whiteboard. Where is this? Akash,
Sir, tell me, sir.
can you help us? What is this? Clarify our. Are you able to see the screen?
no, sir. We can still see NSC website only.
NSC site. Okay, okay.
So take notepad, sir.
Notepad. And some whiteboard is where is that?
Such an search bar, sir.
Okay. Are you seeing some sort of whiteboard?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you see, there is a bank nifty. Okay. What is the bank nifty? There are two prices in bank nifty. Bank nifty spot, bank nifty future. Okay. Now, what is bank nifty future? Around 44,000. All of you accept that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you want to buy one bank nifty, I want say bank nifty spot is say some 44,500. Okay, for the simplicity, 43,500. Now I want only one bank nifty. So one bank nifty, I can go only to the spot market because it is a retail market.
Yes, sir.
Now they say that we will combine 25 bank nifties and sell you this bank nifty future. Okay. So one contract, if I want to buy or sell one contract of bank nifty, that means it is worth how much? Are you understanding? One contract means one lot size. 25 bank nifties will be there. They will be combined and put in a box and given to you.
Yes, sir.
One
Understood.
lot. So how much this contract value will be? Something like 10 lakhs. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Now I want to buy one lot of bank nifty. That means how many bank nifties I will get? One contract.
25, sir.
25. This 25 can't be divided. Suppose you
Okay,
go to wholesale market and they say that you have to purchase 25 apples in one box. So what is the one apple box means? They will say this one apple box is 500 rupees. And you can't say that give me only 2 apples. Either you have to purchase one apple box or multiples, 2 apple box, 3 apple box, 4 apple box, like that. Are you clear, Radhesham?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain us what is this concept? Lot size.
Yes, sir, I can try.
Yeah, please.
Sir, so basically the index will mention specific spot price,
Yes.
and based on the spot price and its underlying asset, the closing price will dictate the whole lot size. So basically lot will be comprising of some specific number, like cumulative number.
Hmm.
So total price will be the addition of all those individual contracts that are included.
Yes.
So a lot will basically contain specific number. Here we taken 25.
And this 25 is decided by the exchange.
Sir, okay, sir. So 25 is the fixed sizes of number of contracts that are in a lot.
Hmm.
Since the price that has been dictated is 44,000 per contract, cumulative will be 25 contracts into 44,000 each. So it will be 10 lakh.
Yes. This is called contract value.
Yes, sir. Total contract value.
Hmm. Okay. So are you clear on this lot size? Depending upon the lot size, the total contract value will be no, 10 lakhs, 9 lakhs, around that it will be fluctuating. For some say for some TCS, it will be different like that. So lot sizes for all the derivatives contracts are decided by the exchange. That's why we call it as a standardized contracts. Any questions, Jaya Jain?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
But,
tell me.
lot size we are multiplying with spot price or futures price, sir?
Yeah, good question. That is approximately.
Approximate of both the prices, sir.
No, see. This lot, what instrument you are buying with this lot size or selling?
Underlying assets, sir.
No. See, I am purchasing a Bank Nifty future. I am assuming a position in the Bank Nifty contract. Bank Nifty futures contract.
Yes, sir.
So, how much amount, how much exposure I will be having? 44,000 into 25. I am no way concerned with the spot. What is my exposure? My exposure is to the Bank Nifty future. So, this 25 into 44,000 is a Bank Nifty future. So, I will be assuming that position around 10 lakhs, sir. Is it confusing?
Sir, then we have to take what futures price only, sir.
Yes.
We can't take, spot price.
Yes. It will be near only.
Mm.
But how much will be your value of the position you are taking? That is depends upon the futures price only.
Okay, sir.
You
Okay.
understand now?
Yes, sir. Understood.
My profits or losses are calculated on the fluctuation of the futures price. Is it not? See, now I am having, now I have taken this position.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir,
tell me.
any price we can take, sir. Sir, any price we can take, sir, with the multiples of lot size.
No. See, suppose if Bank Nifty future goes up to 45,000, how much will be my profit? If Bank Nifty future where is this? Suppose if Bank Nifty future goes up to 45,000, what is my profit?
25,000, sir.
Huh?
25,000.
Okay. That means you are taking only the difference of futures contract. Huh? You be very clear in that. I am taking only fluctuation of that futures price into lot size. That will give me my profits or losses. See, if Bank Nifty goes up to 45,000, that means my profit is What is the difference? 45,000 minus 44,000. That is
1000,
1,000.
sir.
1,000 into 25. That is 25,000. So, so I am not bothered about the spot now, because spot is not being traded. It is only an indicative price. Which is what I am trading, what instrument I am trading here?
Bank Nifty.
Bank Nifty future.
Future. Yes, sir.
So Bank Nifty future is the instrument I am trading. So I am concentrated on the Bank Nifty futures price fluctuations. You're okay. Anyway, I will come back to that. Let us not get stuck up here.
Contract cycle, sir.
Yes, yes.
Contract cycle.
Yeah, I'm going to that. Let me. Where is this? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is contract cycle? Contract cycle means there will be no 1 month contract, 2 month contract, 3 month contract. Now you have a June contract, July contract, August contract. Let me show you in the website. Are you able to see the NSE screen?
Yes, sir.
NSE.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here you see Bank Nifty index futures 29 June. Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Now, this expiry date, I can go to July contract. I can go to August contract. This is what you call contract cycle. What is my expiry date?
Sir,
Contract cycle.
we can change that expiry date, sir.
Yes, no. See, suppose I take a TCS contract. Now you see here, all of you see here, what is the instrument type?
Stock futures.
Stock futures. So earlier you have seen index futures.
Yes, sir.
So there are 4 types of instruments in NSE: index futures, stock futures, index options, stock options. You just note down roughly 4 types of instruments. Now you should know that this is a highly practical subject. We should see it with our naked eyes, how it is being transacted in the market. And you should be very clear on the terminology, jargon, concepts. So this is a instrument of stock. Why we are calling it as stock futures instead of index futures? Why we are not calling this as index futures?
It's a stock, sir.
What is stock?
Equity, sir.
Underlying of TCS stock futures is TCS.
It's a company, sir. That is the index, sir.
Very good. Now, what is this expiry date? Rupesh?
29th June, sir. 27th and 30th August.
So, suppose you have taken a contract of 29th June.
Okay, sir.
There are 3 contracts with 3 expiry dates.
Sir, when we are entered in one contract of 29th June, can we reschedule that one for 27th June, July or not? I'm asking.
No, you have to sell that, you have to close that position, again go into 27th July.
Okay, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir. I understand.
You have opened a
Sir.
position in 29 June contract. So
Okay.
even if you keep quiet, that expiry, on that expiry, your position will be closed.
Yes, sir.
So again, if you want to take position, you have to go for 27th July contract. That contract is fixed by the exchange and it is being traded, and it expires on 29th June.
Okay, sir.
Your long or short positions will be squared off, and it will be made 0 on 29th June.
Okay, sir. I understood. Thank you.
Jaya Jain?
Yes, sir. Understood.
So that's how the system, that is the rules of the game. So you have to, we have to play the game by the rules. Suppose you are playing some card game. You can't say that tomorrow I will come and resume. So no, you have to close today and again freshly come with money tomorrow.
I think it's a kind of gamble, no, sir.
Sir,
Who is on the line? That is Venkatekrishna.
sir, in expiry date only 29th June, 27th July, 31 August, ka, sir. Then why not 30 June or 28 June, sir?
That is expiry date is fixed on Thursday, no?
Yes, sir.
Thursday of the last
Every
Thursday of the month.
Yes, sir.
Now they are revising it to Friday. You just check in the latest news.
Yes, sir.
You just note down.
Why only Thursday, sir? Why
Not
not Friday?
Not like that. It is a sort of convention they have kept.
Okay, sir.
There is no specific reason. Okay. Expiration day also we have seen. Expiration day is normally last Thursday of the month. You just note down whether it is being changed to Friday. I have just seen some circular. You just see what is the latest changes to the expiration day on an NSE F&O market. Tick size, tick size 5 paisa, 0.05. Now, what is this daily settlement price? Now you should remember now suppose this TCS futures 29 June 2023 contract I have purchased. I have purchased at 3,300. Let me take the whiteboard. Are you able to see the whiteboard?
Yes, sir.
Now you see here. Now this TCS June future I have purchased it. What is its rate? Okay, maybe take something like 500. Yesterday. That is, I have purchased on say some 7th June. Okay. Now what I will, what the exchange demands of me? When I purchase, when I enter into any futures contract, either long or short, what I have to pay? Or first, let us take going like this. What is this contract's value? Suppose I take this lot size as lot size is 300. So what is the contract value? Rupesh,
So 1,50,000, sir.
how you have got that?
Sir, lot size is 300, sir. That will be multiplied with 500 rupees each lot, so that 500 into 300.
Very good.
Thank you.
All of you are clear in this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So contract value is 1,50,000. Now you have purchased means what I say in the market terminology. Can I say like this? Can you read out what I have typed here?
Long TCS
Hmm.
June futures 1 lot.
What I mean by that? Venkatekrishna?
So that means
Yeah.
one lot you have taken
Huh?
a long position in
That
TCS.
means I have purchased. Long means what? I am on the buy side.
Yes, sir.
Short
Then
means I am
that
on the
means
sell
1
side.
into 300, sir. Or 1 into. If you're taking one lot, then 1 into 500 is the contract value. So then if you take one lot.
Can anybody explain? One lot means one box.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Not one apple. One lot means one box of 12 apples.
Okay, sir.
So value of one lot is 1,50,000. Are you
Yes,
clear,
sir. Understood.
Radheshyam?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain again this thing?
Yes, sir. So we are observing the TCS future slot for the month of June.
Yes.
Expiry date set at 7 June. Last, sir, why
Not
is it
expiry
7?
date. I'm
It
doing
is
the
buying
transaction
date,
7th
Rajesh.
June.
Okay, sir.
Expiry date is whatever they have the exchange has fixed. Like no,
Okay, sir.
they say no expiry is 29th June.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Mm.
Okay, so 29 June because Thursday.
Yes.
Okay, sir. One lot size here is given as 300.
Who is giving that?
Index, sir.
Stock
Uh,
exchange.
Yeah, stock
Exchange.
exchange will decide, sir.
Yeah, exchange is fixes that lot size.
Sir,
At what price I have bought?
500
500.
singular.
Who is giving that price?
So that price is divided by demand and supply, sir.
Oh,
Sorry,
excellent,
undervaluing
excellent.
asset.
Excellent. I am trying to drive that. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Price
individual-
exchange will not decide. All other terms exchange will decide. Price is decided by the marketplace. Buyers and
Sir.
sellers, demand and supply. Information coming into the market.
Sir.
Go ahead.
So individual contract price 500, lot is 300. So 500 into 300.
Yes.
300, 500s comes up to 1,50,000.
Yes.
Sorry, 15 lakhs.
No.
No, 1,50,000.
1,50,000. Yeah. This can I call this as in our jargon long TCS June futures 1 lot?
Yeah, yes, sir. You can.
Summary of all that information.
Long TCS June futures 1 lot. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how much trading I am doing, how much position I am having, how much worth?
1
1,50,000.
1,50,000.
Now, just I buy this TCS June futures 1 lot and can I go home without paying anything to the exchange?
Margin have to pay, sir.
Yes, yes. Why I have to pay margin?
Because while entering into the contract, we have to pay the margin for the, counterparty risk, to avoid the counterparty risk.
Yeah, yes. Now, in case of suppose I buy this 300 shares of TCS. 300 shares of TCS where I will buy in the cash market or spot market. If I buy 300 shares of the TCS, how much I have to pay?
Sir, at that time we have to pay current market price of the shares.
Assume 500, assume 500 rupees only.
Okay. Sir.
300
Then
shares.
full amount of 1,50,000 at that time. Sir.
Ah, yes, I have to pay full amount of
Full amount, sir.
1,50,000. Now, in futures, say the exchange says that you pay 10% margin. So how much I have to pay?
15,000.
15,000. That is the advantage of in the derivatives market. I need not pay total amount. I need not pay total amount, but still I get the exposure to the total value of the contract. That is 1,50,000. Same I will get exposure, but I am paying only 15,000. So that means my I am using leverage. That means my profits or losses are being magnified. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Why I am collecting this margin? Because I have to guarantee performance of the both the parties. Is it not? Counterparty risk. The person who is entering into the contract has an obligation. So he can't run away from the contract. So the exchange collects initial margin. And who will collect this initial margin? Will you go to the exchange and pay this 15,000? Yeah, Jane?
I'm not sure, sir.
No. Whom you will pay this 15,000?
Exchange, sir.
You can't go daily to the exchange and pay.
So clearing agency will be acted in that. Sir.
You can't go to the clearing agency daily. No, clearing agency is in Bombay, Mumbai.
Online, sir. Electronic mode will pay, sir.
Online to whom? Who is between you and the exchange?
Stockbroker.
Yes. Broker.
Yes,
You
sir.
can't do anything without the broker because broker is the intermediary. Broker will collect from you and deposit with the exchange.
Okay, sir.
You understand? Broker means your Sharekhan, Kotak Securities, so many brokers are there. ICICI. Okay. Now this TCS, next day, TCS will keep fluctuating. On 8th June, TCS, no, some bad results, it has gone to 450. How much paper loss you are getting? I have purchased at 500 rupees. Now it has gone down to 450. Am I getting loss or not?
Last 50 rupees, sir.
50 rupees. That means how much? Amount, total amount.
15,000, sir.
15,000. Now in futures market, for the safety of the players, for safety of the system, safety of the market, there is something called daily settlement. Suppose normally, what is the expiry date of this contract?
29 June.
So I can't say I will keep quiet till 29th June, sir. I will see what happens, then I will come. So by the time 29th June comes, your money may, you are paying only 10%, your money may get wiped off and you may not become visible. Is it not? Is there a risk like that? Because it is a stock market and a lot of leverage is there. So there is a quotation in stock markets that the broker will not trust even his wife also. Broker will demand margin from his wife also. Maybe in Gujarat it is very familiar because in Gujarat this it is like agriculture. People start investing in the stock market at a very early age, like high school sort of thing. Is it true, Jay?
I don't know, sir.
Okay, okay. You find out when you again go to your
Sure,
place.
sir.
So what is this daily settlement? Daily settlement means every day the stock exchange puts your position and sees whether you are getting profits or losses. If you are getting profits, your account will be credited. If you are getting your losses, they will ask additional margin. Now, in this case, this person, suppose some person some Anand. This Anand has done this transaction. So what the exchange will ask Anand? How much he has to pay? On 8th June. Krishna?
Sir,
ఆనంద్ ఎంత పే చేయాలి?
1,65,000, sir.
అది ఉంది. అది ఇప్పుడు ఆనంద్కి ఆ రోజు లాస్ ఎంత వచ్చింది డైలీ సెటిల్మెంట్ లో?
15,000.
ఎంత పే చేయాలి ఆనంద్ ఆ రోజు?
15,000.
అంతే కదా. సో ఎందుకు పే చేయాల్సి వచ్చింది?
లాస్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి, సార్.
లాస్ రాలే కదా, ఇంకా నేను క్లోజ్ చేసుకోలేదు కదా. నా పొజిషన్ ఉంది ఇంకా అక్కడ. రేపు మళ్ళా పెరుగుతుంది కదా సార్ అంటే నేను
పొజిషన్ అలాగే ఉండొచ్చుకోవచ్చు.
అవును, అది అవును. డబ్బులు కట్టాలన్నా వద్దా? రేపు పెరుగుతులే సార్, రేపు చూద్దామంటే
కట్టబడలేదు సార్.
కట్టబడలేదా
సార్? థర్స్డే వరకు ఉంచుకోవచ్చు కదా సార్ అలాగే?
కాదు, కానీ నీకు లాస్ కనిపిస్తుంది కదా అక్కడ.
లాస్ కట్టకుండా బ్రోకర్ ఒప్పుకోడు కదా సార్.
So this is called daily settlement. Even if it is a notional loss, even if your position is open, you have to pay the margin, or what we call MTM settlement. మీరు క్లియర్గా ఉండాలి వీటిల్లో. MTM అంటే ఏంటి?
Market to market settlement.
మార్క్ టు మార్కెట్. నా దగ్గర ఉంది, కానీ మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్ ఎంత ఉంది? హౌ మచ్ నోషనల్ లాస్ ఐఎమ్ ఇంకరింగ్ డిపెండింగ్ అపాన్ ద మార్కెట్. ఇఫ్ ఐ హావ్ టు సెల్ ద పొజిషన్ రైట్ నౌ, హౌ మచ్ లాస్ ఐఎమ్ ఇంకరింగ్? ఐఎమ్ ఇంకరింగ్ a loss of 15,000. So to protect the market integrity, And I don't trust your idea, no, that tomorrow it will go up in 29th, I will see. That is not how the market operates. So market wants the total system to be very, no, foolproof. That is, no, system integrity of the system is important. So the exchange will ask you to pay 15,000. So again, on 9th June, suppose it goes up to 460 rupees. How much profit you will get?
10 rupees, sir.
10 rupees, very good. Because your position is now marked to 450.
Yes, sir.
So how much profit you are getting?
3,000.
3,000. So what exchange will do? Exchange will credit this 3,000 to your account. అట్లా డైలీ జరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. This will continue daily till you close your position. Or expiry is over. Close your position అంటే ఏంటి? This is called in jargon square off your position. What do you mean by square off? If you are long a position, you will sell and square off. If you are short a position, you will buy and square off. That means your net position will become 0 after square off. Are you clear? Venkatesh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ఈ జార్గన్ పట్టుకోవాలి మీరు. లాంగ్, షార్ట్, స్క్వేర్ ఆఫ్, MTM సెటిల్మెంట్, ఎక్స్పైరీ, ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్. నేనంటే నాకు ప్రాక్టికల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఐ కాంట్ బి వేగ్. యూ షుడ్ బి క్రిస్టల్ క్లియర్ అండ్ ఐ షుడ్ ఆల్సో డూ సమ్ రీసెర్చ్ అండ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ యువర్ డెప్త్. I am the first person to be happy when you go, get more knowledge than Dhananjay. In this financial markets. Radhesham,
Yes, sir.
are you able to follow this? Any questions or comments, suggestions?
Yes, sir. A question regarding volatility of these prices.
Yes.
Because underlying assets of big companies would be relatively stable.
Yes.
Those futures and options derived from those shares would be a bit more volatile than the shares. But sir, overall, how volatile will they be?
Yes.
That is my question, sir.
Okay, good question. So how do you calculate volatility of an asset?
Based on fluctuation, sir.
How do you calculate that?
We measure beta.
Okay, beta is a measure of one measure. What is the total measure, total volatility?
Standard deviation, sir.
Yes, exactly. So this volatility is in what your standard deviation, sigma. Is it not, Radhesha? 1
Yes,
by
sir.
n minus 1 sigma no, x minus x bar minus r bar whole square. How much fluctuation or volatility is in each instrument? No, if you don't want to calculate, you can go to the NSE website. The NSE will give you most probably what is the
Sir, in beta, it is what type of measure, sir? Is it for risk, sir, to measure?
can anybody answer this? Rupesh,
Sir,
can you answer Venkat Krishna's question?
so what is the question? I can't get it.
Once more, Venkat Krishna.
Beta is what type of measure? Is it for risk calculation or anything else?
Yeah, it is a risk calculation of total. I mean, total risk. I mean, index plus stock both. We can get the total risk with the beta, and this volatility will get the more than the beta. So that we are using sigma. I think so.
Radheshyam,
Sir,
comment on Venkat Krishna question.
sir, I didn't get his question, sir. I
Can you repeat? Can you repeat, Venkat Krishna?
Beta is what type of measure? Is it for risk calculation or anything else?
Hmm. So, sir, beta can be used when you're seeing for an arrow, like observing only one stock. When you want overall, then you can see the standard deviation in its price
Very good.
fluctuation.
See, total risk is your sigma square or standard deviation or variance.
Yes, sir. Beta is
Total
only
risk can be
market.
decomposed into systematic risk and unsystematic risk. Systematic
Sir.
risk is your
And
estimated by beta.
non-diversifiable. Yes, sir.
మీకు
Beta is
చాలా
only
సార్లు బోర్డు మీద కూడా చెప్పాను కదా.
Yes, sir.
Sigma square is equal to beta square into sigma m square plus unsystematic risk. ఇప్పుడు రామాయణం అంతా ఈయన మళ్ళీ మొదటికి వస్తున్నారు.
Yes, sir.
Are you following?
Yes, sir. Basically, beta would be only restricted to market risk. Standard deviation will show effects of all types of other risks also.
See, total risk of any asset is your systematic risk plus unsystematic risk. Total risk is measured by your sigma square. Is it right? Unsystematic risk is your is proxied by beta. So if you want a exact equation, it will be beta square into sigma m square. I remember this formula. Krishna? Is Krishna is there?
Sir, some net problem, sir.
You know, na?
Network
Oh,
not
network
connecting
problem.
well,
Okay.
sir.
Jaya Jain,
Yes, sir.
this we have discussed at length now. Maybe you are available at that time.
Yes, sir. I was here only.
Okay, okay. Not today. When we are discussing about this total risk, systematic risk, and systematic risk.
No, sir. I was not there, but then I referred IAPM material, so I'm fine
Oh, very
with
good.
what you explained just now.
Very good, very good. So this is called your mark-to-market settlement, where you daily collect margins and daily collect the notional losses or profits, and you credit the person who is making profits and debit the person who is making losses. Where this 3,000 will come? The exchange is crediting to your account 3,000 rupees. Will the exchange credit from its own money, or who will pay this?
Exchange, sir.
ఎవరు ఇస్తారు?
Exchange.
ఎక్స్చేంజ్కి ఎవరు ఇస్తారు?
స్టాక్ బ్రోకర్.
ఎవరు స్టాక్ బ్రోకర్?
Buyers.
బయర్ నేనే కదా. ఈ 3,000 లాస్ ఎవరికి వస్తుంది?
Seller case.
ఆనంద్ సార్.
ఆనంద్కి 3,000 ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చింది. ఇది ఈ ప్రాఫిట్ ఎవరు లాస్ ఎవరికి వస్తుంది? ఆనంద్ తోటి ఇంకొక ఆయన ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ చేసాడు అనుకోండి, ఇంకొక ఎవరు ఆకాష్, ఆనంద్ తోటి ఆకాష్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ చేశాడు. ఆనంద్ బయ్యర్ ఒక ఆయన, సెల్లర్ ఒక ఆయన ఉండాలి కదా. There should be two parties to the transaction, both buyer and seller in a futures transaction or any type of transaction. If Akash is the seller, when the TCS goes up from 450 to 460, Akash will get how much loss?
3,000 loss.
Yes. So exchange will take from Akash and give it to Anand. Exchange is an intermediary. Exchange will not keep speculating. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
So this is how this mark-to-market settlement works. Now, our Radheshyam has asked one question: volatility.
Yes, sir.
Now, suppose Infosys is more volatile, or no, some other company like Adani is more volatile.
Adani, sir.
Adani is more volatile.
Adani is more volatile. Now, Infosys I have taken, suppose TCS. TCS I have taken 10%. Is it okay if I take 10% from Adani, or you want more? Margin. Do you want more margin from Adani or not? People who are trading Adani stocks. Radheshyam?
Yes, sir.
You want more or
They'll
less?
They'll get more volatility, more margin.
More, yes. So the volatility is directly related to margin because it is a dil mange more in case of Adani trading. Because it's more volatile, more risk is there, more chance of no, fluctuation. The traders will get no. So to protect the integrity of the system, I may increase my margin to Adani to 20%. The exchange will increase. The exchange will keep on adjusting its margins daily. Daily it will announce. Because of some high volatility in Adani, I'm increasing margin to 50% also sometimes. You understand? Are you following, Jay?
Yes, sir.
So this is what I mean by daily settlement price. The exchange will come up with the daily settlement price and calculate profits and losses of the players and no, credit the no, profit makers and debit the loss makers. And final settlement price means at the end of the expiry, they will arrive at the final settlement price. On that, based on that, all positions will be closed. So final settlement, see, in the future, suppose you have taken a futures contract. What are the two options open to you? You can keep it till 29th June, or you can square it off in between. If you square off in between, what is your buying price and selling price? They will get adjusted. If you keep it till 29th June, the exchange will take that final settlement price and settle your position. And either profits or losses are transferred to your account. Is it okay? Naveen Krishna? Rupesh?
Yes, understood.
You followed, no? Radheshyam?
Yes, sir.
So this is how the no, I'm only in the first slide. But I'm covered a substantial amount, I think.
Sir, I have a question.
Please.
In when Anand he was in loss, when he incurred loss, he
Okay.
paid 15,000 to exchange.
Yes.
And when Anand incurred profit, Akash paid 3,000 to Anand, sir. Then exchange, they are getting nothing. They are just playing intermediary role, sir.
Yes. You know, Anand has got loss of 15,000, no? Anand.
Yes, sir.
That 15,000 will be paid to Akash.
It will go to Akash, sir.
Exchange is only an intermediary. It will collect only taxes and this thing. Exchange is a marketplace.
So that 15,000 will be including with the tax, sir.
No. No, suppose it is a marketplace or platform. Suppose you are selling vegetables in the Madras bus stand. That is what is vegetable market. Profits or losses are yours only. You will just pay some taxes, some commissions, some small brokerage for using that space.
Yes, sir.
Exchange-
Understood.
Yeah, exchange will organize the things.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Like government has a lot of players who are doing business. The government will not be a speculator. Government will not take profits or losses. It will collect some small commissions, small taxes, and all to give them that platform. With that small commissions itself, NSE is earning some thousands of crores. In fact, these exchanges are the biggest investment opportunities. Because everybody has to pay all the people have to pay commissions and taxes and turnover charges and everything. So you note down, because you have asked this question, you note down one question, assign that is homework.
Yes, sir.
How does NSE make money? You note down this. What are the sources of NSE's profits? How does NSE make money? You go to NSE website, NSE annual report, and find out how much money it made in 2020, 21, 21, 22, 22, 23. And what are the sources? What are the sources where an exchange makes money? And how much it made in the past 2-3 years?
Yes, sir. Okay.
That is a good assignment for you, and you can write some blog or some paper on that also. How exchanges make money.
Okay, sir.
And we have completed only one slide. And I don't worry about the number of people. Today only 7 or 8 people are there. Why every day is going down? No? So you don't worry about the number of people. Even one person is there, I will be continuing this. So because I will be traveling, I'll take tomorrow and day after tomorrow also at the same time. Is it okay with you?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So same time I will take tomorrow and day after, because I will be traveling in the flight. So it will not be possible for another 3 days. So to conclude, any questions or doubts you have?
Sir, I have a last question now
Please.
for today.
Yeah.
That lot size, exchanges, they decide the lot size, no, sir?
Yes.
So if today we saw that Nifty has lot size of 50, or
Yes.
it was 50, then
Hmm.
how long that lot size will be same, sir?
Yeah, that is sometimes they adjust. Even if they adjust, they will not change for the existing contracts.
Okay, sir.
Suppose I want to change it to 100. Exchange wants to change it, it will say that from October onwards, the lot size will be 100.
Okay, sir.
They will allow the 3 months contracts, June, July, August, the same lot size to expand. Then only when the new contracts come, they will say it is 100. So they will give sufficient notice.
Okay, sir.
It is like, your, it is like rules of the game. Suddenly they won't change. Radheshyam, can you summarize? Then we will go to next class.
Sir. So today we discussed about how the opening price and closing price are decided and how do they look spot price. We also looked at the expiry date of contracts, future contracts specifically. With the help of example of a Reliance contract and TCS contract, we understood how the price of a lot size is decided. And on top of that, we also discussed about the volatility of future contracts. We determined that it is based on standard deviation. And we also discussed how beta cannot completely measure volatility because of its narrow scope. We decided that based on risk, the margin that the exchange gets, which is the margin should be paid because it is a necessity while entering into the contract. And it is based on the volatility. It is directly proportional to the volatility, the margin, the amount of margin that is paid. So that is all we've discussed today, sir.
Yes, very good. Now, from your summary, I have got an idea that you note down this. Beta as a measure of systematic risk.
Okay, sir.
You can prepare a note on that. What is beta, what is standard deviation, what it measures, what beta measures, some sort of explanation.
Sir.
That is a good topic to explore.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So we'll continue. We have only finished one slide. Maybe tomorrow we can go faster. You review all these things, bring any questions or suggestions or any clarifications. So even this jargon is very important. You have to catch this. Then we can go faster. It should be completely etched in your mind. Underlying instrument, underlying price, contract multiplier, contract size, lot size, contract cycle, expiry dates, tick size, daily settlement, mark to market settlement, final settlement, all these things you should be very comfortable. Venkatrishna, any observations? Rupesh? Rupesh already left.
Sir, no, sir, I'm here.
Okay. Any final comments?
Sir, yes, sir, we got that lot size and I mean, price of the lot will be decided by the buyers and sellers.
Yes. All this terminology, I think you were already studied, but you have to go once more and do this.
Yes, sir.
Make more clarification. Okay. We'll
Okay.
connect tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay.